Hey, what's up guys? This is Thomas from freewheelsocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to archive a post on Instagram. Archived post will be hidden from public, but you will still be able to access it and restore it after if you would change your mind. So that's the better alternative to deleting. Follow these steps to archive a post on Instagram. So first of all, open up Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your profile. Go to the Instagram post you would like to archive. Tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Archive. You have successfully archived your Instagram post. Now your followers and other people will not be able to see your archived post. It will be moved to the archived post folder, which can be accessed only by you. It is important to notice that archive feature works only on Instagram app, so you cannot archive any posts using your desktop computer or laptop. I hope that this guide was helpful and you were able to archive a post on Instagram. Please like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.